How to find the fuse box in your 2024 Kia Forte and what each fuse controls. This user guide will explain the exact fuse box locations and provide a detailed diagram, helping you troubleshoot and manage your vehicle's electrical systems efficiently. Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2024 Kia Forte is located under the dashboard near the steering wheel, providing easy access for fuse replacements. It manages key interior functions such as power windows, lighting, and infotainment systems. The panel features a clear labeling system for quick identification and troubleshooting. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2024 Kia Forte contains essential fuses for critical systems like the engine, cooling fans, and ABS. Located near the battery, it provides easy access for maintenance and replacements. The panel is clearly labeled for efficient identification of each fuse's function. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.